Now that we have solid grasps on creating effective awareness campaigns for ecosystem restoration, it's essential to expand our focus to enhancement of capacity development initiatives. Capacity development is vital for empowering stakeholders to participate fully in restoration efforts and achieving sustainable outcomes. This includes equipping individuals and communities with the necessary skills, knowledge, and tools to undertake effective restoration activities that align with local contexts. In this next task, we will explore the key characteristics of effective capacity development initiatives, providing insight into how to tailor activities for diverse stakeholders' needs and contexts, incorporate knowledge from various disciplines, and build skill sets essential for restoration. Let's dive in.